Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I want to show you these adorable gift packing options for Valentine's Day. But actually it could be for any holiday, because how cute are these? They would be perfect for a baby shower, a wedding shower, heck, even a wedding. But they're so super cute. They're just a little heart-shaped red tin. See, it's a tin. Super, super cute. And then it even has this clear, which is kind of hard to see, this clear little topper. Of course, it'll be easier to see once you have sweet treats on the inside. But since it's so tall, you can fit so much into this little tin. Whether you do maybe 4 little chocolates, you could do a cookie, you could do M&Ms, you could do candy hearts, of course, for Valentine's Day, but there's so many things that you could put in here. You could also do jewelry or anything like that. I'm sure a gift card would fit in there too. I like going sideways and stuff. So there's so many cute ways to be able to use these for gift packaging. And then when it comes to decorating, it's so simple. Look how I've just added that fabulous little heart on the top. And I used a lot of the products from My Heart suite. So one of the amazing things is the designer series paper, which is a specialty paper, actually has these gorgeous foil hearts. So these actually coordinate with the punches. So you can see the punch, there we go. You can see the punch has that fabulous little scallop edge. So I'm just going to slide this in and punch out one of the hearts. I use the heart to stamp directly onto. So using the heartfelt stamp set, you could always put the word love. You could put so lucky to have a friend like you, from my heart to yours. You could always do the roses are red, violets are blue, and then of course you could put being friends is better than eating candy, but let's do that too. You could always put that greeting on the inside and do the roses are red on the outside. You could simply do Happy Valentine's Day, or even just a heart if you were going with something a little bit more neutral for an event that wasn't Valentine's Day. So of course that heart fits perfectly into the top of that, and it's super cute, but why not add a few more layers? In the suite, there's also a package of doilies. These doilies come in both pink and red, and guess what? The doilies fit perfectly in the top there. So it's super cute. It also fits perfectly in the bottom, so you can always line your goodies with a little doily on the bottom. So super, super cute there. And then you can add your little heart that you punched out and stamped on. I also added a little bit of the red satin ribbon, because who doesn't want a little bit of bling and shine to their project even more than this foil? So for this one, I simply did a little ribbon. So I just took my ribbon and put it into a ribbon shape, just like that. What I always recommend is to stamp the heart, flip it over, and on the back side, you're gonna secure the ribbon to that. So I would then just take this, and then I would add Stampin' dimensionals all along the ribbon to secure it to the back of my greeting, peel off the dimensional backs, and then stick it right to the doily. So there's one option. I also have another option here. This one, I kind of did a wiggle. A little ribbon wiggle back and forth, back and forth. Again, with this, I recommend stamping the heart, and then you're going to place the ribbon down, secure it with dimensionals, create a loop, secure it with more dimensionals, create another loop, secure it with more dimensionals, and then trim off your tail. So by doing it like that and securing it as you go, you can get your loops and your straightaways very easily, because it's not, you know, flailing all over like that just did. But by securing it first, it sort of helps you move along. I don't want to actually secure it because I haven't stamped the top of this first, and then it would be too lumpy to stamp. So I'm just gonna show you like that, where you'll just secure it along. And yes, you will use a lot of dimensionals. If you know me at all, you know I love Stampin' dimensionals, and they're so perfect for everything. And I'm an overuser of them, so I probably use too many, as always. But yeah, I just use those to secure. Just make sure it's falling off of the ribbon, so it's half on the ribbon, half on the cardstock, because if it's all the way on the ribbon, then it won't actually secure it. And then of course, like if there's an empty spot whenever you're done securing your ribbon that you need another dimensional so that your project's not like wobbly or anything, then you can always do that. But I just wanted to show you these cute and simple tricks for decorating your little tins for Valentine's Day or any other occasion. So they're super cute. You could also just do one little piece of ribbon and do diagonal ends. So you could always just do one piece going straight across too. So that's another option as well. Super cute, sweet, from my heart, with the stamps, the punches, the designer paper, the ribbon. It's all absolutely gorgeous. I will leave links down below for all of these supplies so that you can get started on your Valentine's Day projects, or if you're wanting to use them for other projects. I can't wait to hear about that. So definitely let me know if you have another project to use this for in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.